So guys, there are lots of companies out there that are always looking for remote work from home workers, but the problem is most of us are not really well informed about all these companies because most of these companies are not the popular ones. So in today's video, I've done my research as always, and I'm going to share with you those websites that are not really popular where you can always find remote work from home job. And the best part is most of them don't really require much. All you need to have is proficiency in speaking and writing in English, and of course you should be 18 years and above. And the good thing is most of them are available in almost all the countries of the world, and you have to make sure you have your laptop and your internet source to be able to access these jobs that are available on these platforms. And another good thing is that some of them can pay you as much as $25 per hour, even $18 per hour. On one, you can possibly earn like $800 in a month. So if this is what you're interested in, the first company we're going to talk about is one that is into education. I have personally applied to this company. What they do is they help students with the best technologies they can to improve their learning and of course to make learning easier. So if you are interested in doing educational related things like research, or you're good with particular subjects, then you might want to check this website out. This website can pay you in different modes, be it PayPal, Wise, even direct bank transfer. You can actually get paid through this medium on this platform, and they make their payments twice every month, so you don't really need to wait a long time to be able to receive your payment. All you have to do is to make yourself available on this platform. So to get started, you have to apply. Once you have applied, by just using your email, they're going to send you your password directly to your email, and afterwards you're going to be given assessment tests like English language tests of 24 questions to do. And once you are done with these questions, then you're going to be given assessments for tests. They're going to give you about 3 assessments to do that have time to be submitted, like 2 days interval to be submitted. So once you have finished this and you are successful, then they're going to give you a paid job to do. You are literally going to start earning after you're done with those paid jobs. So here is what the website looks like. So the name of the website is Livingstone Research, and here you can see that they can pay you from $3 to $18 per hour for the work you do, and of course they have bonuses on top. And these are the ways you can get paid. You have Payoneer, you have wire transfer, Wise and PayPal like I mentioned earlier. Now these are the steps like I mentioned before. So as you can see, they are available in over 37 countries, and you can make $800 on the average per month on this platform. And you can see that they have also an app that you can actually download to manage your work better. And to get started, where it says apply, here is where you're going to put your email, and they're going to send you your password, and then you take it out from there. So the next one is more like a recruitment agency. What they do is they gather pool of talents that they send to their clients to do the work for them. But you have to understand that this platform will pay you directly. Like it's not like you are the employee, but you are on contract basis, like it is not full time, and they are going to pay you directly. In fact, you don't have any business with your client. They will do the negotiation and everything, or you only just do the work and you get paid. Now they're going to pay you via PayPal and Uphold on this platform, and this is what the platform looks like. If you come here, the requirement for you to get on board is be interested in working online for US and Europe companies, and be highly fluent in English, skilled in at least one of the following areas, because what they are interested in mostly is on jobs like social media management, graphic design, video editing, customer service, digital marketing, administrative work, and stuff like that. And of course, you have to have a good Wi-Fi connection and the right gadgets to use to work. They're also interested in someone who is honest and reliable, and you should be able to allocate at least 15 hours a week to be able to do the jobs they have here on the website. So as you can see, these are the other information that you may want to learn about on this platform. And if you're interested in working with them, all you have to do is click here where it says send me the application form, and once you click there, you're going to see further information you should learn about this company before you can now put your name and your email address to start working with them on this platform. So the next company is one that helps businesses globally to make improvements in terms of growth and making more sales and be productive. So what they generally do is to supply businesses with the right technologies that they need to improve their businesses. So if you come to this website, you're going to see job openings they have available here, and they have different types of job like business process outsourcing type of job, digital solutions, support position, AI, community and artificial intelligence when it comes to training AI. So here are the available job positions here. You see data analyst, mid software development engineer. This particular website will require you to have some skill before you be able to start working with them. So if you want to apply to this one, you click on it, and you're going to see more information about this, including the location and everything, the job description, the language preference, and so much more about the job. And if you're interested, you can click here to start applying to the job. So the name of the website is TELUS Digital. Like I always do, I'm going to leave the link to all these websites in the comment section. So when you see, just type "seen" so that I know that you have seen it. Now moving on, please, before we continue, please take a time out, like this video, subscribe to our channel. We're on the road to 5,000 subscribers. We are grateful to all of you for your support. Now moving on, the next one is one that allows you to do some simple tasks like testing AI or training AI, data annotation, and AI labeling and stuff like that. Now this website is available globally and they have tons of jobs depending on different locations where you can find these jobs. So as you can see, this is what the website looks like, and if you want to see the opportunities that are available, you can click here where it says view opportunity, and when you click, you're going to see this page where you're going to see lots of jobs available here for different locations. Some are globally, which you have to do remotely, while some are tailored to a particular location. Like for this one, that is for people in South Africa, but you can do it globally. Like if you're South African but you're anywhere around the world, you can actually apply to this one. And to know more about the job, including how much you stand to earn from this job, you click on the job and you're going to see this page where it's going to show you everything about the job. Of course, you see that it is remote work and the pay is weekly, and they're going to pay you via PayPal or ATM, so you have that in mind. And of course, you can set your hours and everything. So here is the process to get started. You're going to fill in your application and create an account. You're going to verify your ID. You pass the assessment test they're going to give you, and of course, you start working and start earning. This particular job is going to pay you $25 per hour, as you can see here on the website. So the payment varies depending on the job. So if you're interested, you might want to check out the website. The name of the website is Outlier AI. Now talking about AI, the next website is another one that will allow you to do AI data annotation and image labeling and all those stuff, training AI generally. And this job is available globally. Anywhere you are, you can find jobs that suit what you are interested in. So this is what the website looks like, and if you scroll through, you can get to know more information about this website. So most of the jobs you're going to see here are transcription jobs. That is, you're transcribing from English to a local language, or from a local language to English, stuff like that, things they're going to use to train AI. So you can see the benefits you start to gain, things like flexible vacation, healthcare, parental leave, family accommodation, drinks, and stuff like that. Those are the benefits that the workers stand to earn. So you can see the open positions, but if you want to learn more about open positions, you click here where it says all jobs, then you're going to see all jobs. But let me show you a trick to find the job that is in your location. So you're going to come here where this map is, and you're going to come here where this button is and zoom in. So assuming if you're in Nigeria and you're looking for a job here on this platform, you're going to zoom into your location, look for your country on this map, and then you're going to zoom in. So if I click here where it says Ibadan or Lagos or all these places, you're going to see that I'll be able to find jobs in this location. So as you can see, the jobs here have changed. You can see Urobo transcribers, you can see this one, Benin, Nigeria. You can also see Igbo transcribers and these other languages here. So if you are in any of these places and you are proficient with this language, both in writing and speaking, then you might want to take up this job. You can apply to them by clicking, as you want to apply to this one. You click here and you click here where it says apply, and then you start applying by filling out this information. Of course, you have to upload your resume and other documents that they may be asking you to upload on this platform. So that's basically how you can get jobs on this platform. So if you've seen value so far, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you want to learn more about other removal from home jobs or how to get employed using ChatGPT, be sure to check this video showing on your screen. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.